Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I'm going to look at this, the chain monkey, to see how it works and, more importantly, if it is worth the money. Can I ask, if you are new here and like what I do, please consider subscribing by clicking on my face down there. Then ring my bell so that you will get notifications when there is more to see from Biker Stuff.
Roger, roger.
This is the chain monkey. They retail at about £20 to £25, so if you want one, shop around. It seems to be a very simple tool designed to get the correct amount of slack in your chain. Let's see how it works and, more importantly, if it works. The first thing you need to know is your bike's chain tension range, the slack or its vertical movement. Whatever you call it, it will be in your manual and maybe on a sticker on your swing arm, or you can just Google it. You will also need to know the height of the links. Most 5 series chains are about 14 to 15 millimeters. If you have a smaller 4 series chain, they are about 10 to 11 millimeters, but do measure yours. This is the chart. There are 2 columns for link sizes, 10 to 13 millimeters and 14 to 17. Then you have the chain slack given in inches and millimeters. This Tiger has a link size of about 14.5 millimeters and the slack is 15 to 25. Now, if we look at the chart, they don't provide a setting for that range on that link size, but using a little maths, you can see they go up in 13s. So we can make our own row. Let's call it row 0. That's better. We now have a row for setting 0. That's the maths sorted out. Now let's look at the cheeky monkey itself. To set up the chain monkey, you need to screw this domed nut up until the bottom of it aligns with the setting number from the chart, in this case 0. This rubber lock nut washer thingy will prevent you winding it any further. Hold the knob in place and wind the rubber washer up until it rests on the orange base. When you do this on the bike, it will crimp enough slack in the chain to replicate the recommended vertical movement. And that is the little monkey setup. Now, wind the knob back down enough to get the chain in. Put the fingers over the chain, either way round, but I will do it this way so you can see what is happening. Then wind the knob up onto a complete link until it is stopped by the washer. Next, loosen your axle nut and tighten the chain evenly on both sides until all the slack has gone. When finished, don't forget to tighten the lock nut and the axle nut. Release the monkey and your chain should now have the right slack in it. Let me find out. $25, $60. Well, there you go. It's meant to be 15 to 25 millimeters, but we ended up with 35. I'll continue doing it by hand as I've always done. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.